So I know a lot of employers will have sort of occupational physicians that they sort of direct the employees to.
Right.
If that's the situation for an injured worker, how adamant should he or she be in terms of insisting on their own doctor?
Well, again, I think my advice earlier still stands. And your employers, a lot of times I have folks come in and tell me, my employer said I had to work with this particular doctor, this particular practice, and that's just not the case. And most people don't believe me when I tell them that, or even point to the statute.
Mm-hmm.
In that particular situation, what I normally recommend is that they contact the Kentucky Department of Workers' Claims. There's a 1-800 number that they can call. I don't have that memorized. I do know the direct number, which is 502-564-5550. And an individual or even an attorney can call that number to ask to speak to a workers' compensation specialist.
Okay.
That specialist is a government employee hired by the state of Kentucky. It's not a plaintiff's attorney like me.
Okay.
It's not a defense attorney. It's not a workers' compensation insurance carrier, but it's a government employee who doesn't have to worry about what happens with the claim. And they can give them some honest, free advice about whether or not they can pick out a doctor of their own choice. For instance, if they're in a managed care plan, all the employers have to register their insurance carriers with the Department of Workers' Claims. If they have a managed care plan, that has to be registered.
Okay.
The workers' compensation specialist can go through the system and find out who the doctors are in that managed care plan and help them select a physician. But that's kind of an independent third party that's a good resource.
Mm-hmm.
And I think once you talk to them, you can go back to your employer and say, the state told me I can pick my own doctor.
Okay.
Which is a little bit different, I guess, than my attorney told me.
Right.
It's something I think that kind of breaks the ice, and for an employer that might be hesitant to believe a plaintiff's attorney, it gives them a little bit of sounding board to base the decision on and realize they may not be in the proper position.
Okay.